Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a website from Odoo. This is helpful if you created a test website, no longer need an old version of a site, or want to clean up your Odoo database by removing unused website records. If you manage more than one site in Odoo, there may come a time when you no longer need one of them and want to remove it cleanly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click, so you can delete the website safely and confidently. Since deleting a website can remove related pages, menus, and settings, it's important to move carefully and make sure you're working on the correct website. To begin, go to your Odoo home screen. From there, click on Website to open the Website Management area. This is where Odoo lets you manage website pages, themes, menus, domains, and other front-end settings connected to your website. Once the website app loads, look for the configuration menu and click it. Then select Settings. This will take you into the website settings section, where you can access more advanced options. These settings are useful when you need to control how your website behaves, not just how it looks. Next, click on General Settings. On this page, scroll down until you find the option to activate Developer Mode, and then click Activate the Developer Mode. This is an important part of the process because the website deletion option may not be available unless Developer Mode is turned on. Developer Mode shows extra technical options in Odoo, so you can access settings that are normally hidden from the standard view. If you don't immediately notice a change, that's normal. Just continue once Developer Mode has been enabled. In some cases, the page may refresh or the menu may show additional options after Developer Mode is active. After that, go back to Configuration. This time, click on Websites. You'll now see the list of websites available in your Odoo instance. This list is especially useful if your database has multiple sites for different brands, branches, languages, or test environments. From here, select the website you want to delete. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple sites, because deleting the wrong website can remove content and settings you still need. A good tip is to check the website name, domain, company, and any related details before opening the delete option. Once you open the website you want to remove, look for the gear icon and click it. This icon opens additional actions for that website. These actions usually include management options that are not shown directly on the main page. In the menu that appears, click Delete. Odoo will then ask you to confirm the action. Click Delete again to confirm. At that point, the website will be removed from Odoo. Make sure you only confirm when you are fully sure, because this step is meant to remove that website record from your system. A quick tip before you do this, it's always a good idea to double-check that the website is no longer needed, since deletion is meant to be permanent. If the site contains pages, menus, or configurations you might want later, consider reviewing everything carefully before confirming the final delete step. You may also want to save important page content, screenshots, or settings somewhere else before deleting, especially if this was a live website. And that's it. The process is straightforward once Developer Mode is enabled and you know where the website's menu is located. Start from the home screen, open the website app, go into Configuration and Settings, activate Developer Mode in General Settings, return to Configuration, open Websites, choose the site, click the gear icon, and confirm Delete. Once you understand this path, removing an unused website from Odoo becomes much easier. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.